guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special video because it is another collab video. I love collab videos because I get to showcase my beautiful, amazing YouTube friends so that you guys can check them out as well. And I get to do a nice little collaboration with them. It almost feels like a YouTube community, so I really love that. So today's collab is with the beautiful LatoyaNicole. I will leave all of her information as far as her YouTube and Instagram in my description, so go check her out. But she has amazing looks on her channel. She does these amazing eyeshadow looks and she tries like different colors, which I love. I feel like she doesn't realize how talented she is because her looks are amazing and her blending capabilities for eyeshadow and foundation and everything is just so beautiful. So definitely go check her out. She makes everything look so easy. She does consider herself a beginner with makeup, but it always turns out so amazing. And yeah, she definitely has talent. So I would love for you guys to go and follow her and give her support so she can continue to grow her YouTube and her Instagram and continue to do this because she seems to really love what she's doing. And yeah, we're all just learning here, so hopefully her and I can learn from each other and hopefully you guys can learn from us. So go check her out and send her some love so that we can all just grow together. So today's collab is for the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. So her and I have the same palette and she's gonna do a look on her channel and I'm gonna do a look on mine. We don't know what looks we're doing, so it might end up looking completely different, or it actually might end up looking the same, so I don't really know. I will be watching her video the same time you guys will be watching it, so I am excited and I can't wait. So this is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette and let's just go into it, shall we? So it has such beautiful colors. I received this in my BoxyCharm, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll leave a link to it up here. But yeah, I was so excited to receive this because look at the beautiful colors. I really don't know where to start, and quite honestly, I don't even know what look I'm doing for you guys. I'm just going to just go with whatever comes to me right now. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and do some swatches, and these definitely have names on it, which is great. I'm not going to swatch all of it because we'll be here forever. I don't want this video to be too long, but I'll swatch a few colors and we'll see how that looks. I just want to go ahead and start with Stargazing, which is this shimmery orange, and I'm just excited to see how that looks. Ooh, I like it, I like it. This is definitely giving me a nice like spring, like let's go for a vacation type of a vibe. Yeah, so let's go into Theme Park, which is this green. Like the green and the purple are obviously like bam because they're kind of different from the rest of the oranges and the reds. Oh, that is nice. Ooh, I really like that. So from down here, let's go into Fun, which is this gold. Oh yeah. And we'll go into Picnic, which is this pink, which is like such a pretty pink. Like look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is pretty, that is pretty. I want to use them all, I really do. So for the last row, I think I want to do Vacation and Flip Flops because, I mean, come on. They're just like calling out to me. Ooh, these are so pigmented. It's just a great thing. Oh my gosh. Wow. This color Flower, this pink color, it looks so pretty that I kind of want to try that out. So let's just go ahead. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. I honestly feel like you can take any of these colors and just put it on your lid and it is good to go. Like you don't even need to do much, but there's so much you can do with this. And the sad thing is I don't know what I want to do with it because I kind of want to do everything all at once. So to start off, I'm going to prime my lid and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand to just go ahead and conceal all of that and give myself a nice clean canvas. So as you guys can see, my base makeup is already done. So if you want to see about foundation and everything that I used to create this look, stay tuned because I will have a video for it out very soon. And if I already have it out by the time you're watching this video, I will leave a link to it up here. Go check it out. You'll love it. Now I'm going to go into the color Beach because I feel like that'll just be perfect to set it and set my lid with it. That's like a perfect color for me to set my lids with. Alright, so what do I want to do? That is the question. I say to start off, let's just go in with Flower, which is that beautiful pink color, and I'm going to use that as my transition and actually closer to my brows. Guys, I'm really hoping that this is going to turn out right because I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm trying to use as many colors as I can. It does have a little bit of kickback, which I'm not mad about, but I'm going to take that, I hope I didn't put too much on my brush. I'm going to take that to my transition. Ooh, I love this color. Look at that color, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented. I just want to put that on my lid and just call it. That's it. We're done. Now I'm bringing that closer to like right where my brows are. I feel like that should be enough, but I'm gonna add a little bit more because why not? Oh, it is definitely pigmented. Alright, just for this color alone, I love this palette. Next, let's go into Popsicle right here and put that kind of like right underneath that. Yeah? Yeah. And that's literally going right underneath, like right where my crease is. So the pink one was a little bit higher, this one's a little bit lower. Let's pack that lid with yellow, because I really want to use the yellow. It's so pretty. So let's just go ahead and pack my lid with yellow. So with the yellow, I'm definitely dipping in a little bit more and patting it down. Alright, so before you go ahead and blend a little bit more, do the same thing to the other eye. Yellow is a little powdery. I don't know if it's because I'm really just like patting it on, but it's showing up. Like the color is just gorgeous. I didn't want to touch the orange before with the same brush because I wanted to make sure both eyes got the good yellow before any orange touched it. But yeah, now I want to blend it in to that orange just a little bit so it looks a little bit more seamless. And then go back into that brush where you had the orange. You don't need any product. Just go ahead and blend over that yellow where you did the crease before. Make sure there's a good transition from the pink to the orange to the yellow. Blending is the key to it all. Just keep on blending. You don't want any harsh lines because that's what's gonna make it look like it's not done. Want a good eyeshadow look? Blend it, girl. Ooh, it almost looks like a sunrise, or is it a sunset? Looks like a sunrise. So originally I was thinking of maybe I can do like a cut crease, but since I've done all of this, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take a flat, dense brush. I'm gonna go into Fun, which is this beautiful gold. And I'm going to put that into my inner corner. And I'm going to take whatever is left over and just kind of just brush it lightly over so it almost looks like the gold is just like dispersing and kind of like, I don't know, like the shooting star, and the star is right here in the inner corner. It's making a little trail, I guess. Taking this opportunity to do the inner corners as well so that you have that glow right there. If you feel like you got some extra gold over here, just take that brush that had the orange for your crease and just kind of brush it lightly. And it's okay if you get some yellow gold, you know, over there because it kind of just looks really pretty. I'm going to take a flat angled brush that you would use for your brows or even like an eyeliner, and I'm going to go into Hiking right here, this beautiful brown, and I'm going to make like a faux liner kind of a look. So I'm just definitely taking it, oh, this is very pigmented. Definitely taking it into the where my lashes are, my lash line, and I'm just patting that down into my lash line. And I'm giving myself a wing liner look. Because this palette is so pigmented, it makes that so much easier. Like, you really don't have to try much. I'm just gonna give it like a really nice fake wing. Alright guys, so I got a nice little wing with this color. It is so pretty, but there was definitely fallout with the wing because I was like taking a lot of product and just like patting it down. Alright guys, so now that my top lid is done, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, the lashes are in, and I used the Ardell Mega Volume Lashes, and I think they look so pretty. And I did add a little bit of the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter to my brow bone just to give it a little lift. So I think for that bottom lid, I was debating between two colors, but I think I'm going to go in with this purple right here, and I was thinking either the green or the purple. I'll just go in with the purple and finish this look off. Either way, I think it'll look nice. So I'm just going to take another flat brush. I'm going to go into the purple. Since these are very pigmented, I feel like I have to be careful with the brushes. I don't want it to be too big where it just kind of like overpowers. So I'm just going to go into the bottom and just brush that through. So I hold that up high so I can get more lid space. I can see what I'm doing. I do like it. It looks really pretty, but it's looking more black than purple on camera, and in person, like, you have to be like, hey, hi, for you to know that it's purple. So maybe I should do a louder color. Yeah. So let's go into Flip Flop right here and put that on top of that other purple and see how that looks. It does bring a little bit more color to the purple. So now I'm going to take this dense flat brush right here with no product on it, and I'm just going to rub that and blend it just a little bit so it's not just like a harsh line, and use a little bit more of my lid space. I'm going to go back into Flip Flop again just so the color is not lost, because as you know, because of the purple underneath that, it's not as bright. So now to finish off the shadow, I'm going to take the color Fun, the gold that we used for the inner corner. I'm going to take the same brush, and I'm going to take like the flat point of it, like the edge of it, and I'm going to just bring that in just a tad bit into that purple. Just like what we did on the top, just so that it doesn't look so harsh. Last but not least, some mascara for the bottom lashes, and I'm going to go in with the Essence Lash Princess. I'm just going to do a simple lip, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I kind of feel like this is the look that I did for my BoxyCharm video, if I remember correctly. Kind of looks kind of similar to this. I guess I pretty much did the same thing, but I hope you guys like it either way, and I feel like I can definitely get another look out of this for you guys, so I will definitely try to do that something a little bit more different. I don't know how I intended to go there. I think because the colors that are calling out to me are like the oranges and the yellows, and I really wanted to use yellow on the lid, so I just did that. But in any case, with this palette, I feel like you can go with any one color on your lid and it will look so nice. So I have a feeling I will do that, especially this color right here is such a pretty color for just all over the lid. But I do want to actually do another look for you guys with this. I'll come up with something else. This just called out to me, guys. I was just figuring it out as I go. Plus, I think this sweater probably gave it a little bit more of a push to go towards the orange and yellow. But I hope you guys like the liner. This is actually perfect to do a liner with because it is so pigmented. I didn't have to go into it too much. I kind of wish I didn't do the purple on the bottom and just went in with the brighter color right here, but it's okay. I still feel like it's a look. When it's closer up, when you are closer to me, you can see more of like the pink shining through, but other than that, I feel like it still looks kind of dark, but I don't mind. I like it. I hope you guys like the look too, and I can't wait to see Latoya's look. And for all of you who are joining me from Latoya's channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys like this vibe. I do a lot of product reviews. I do a lot of eyeshadow looks, so if you guys are interested in that, please do subscribe, and thank you so much for coming and watching. I appreciate all of you guys. And again, guys, please go follow Latoya, subscribe to her, give her some likes and some shares and everything. Send her some love. And again, guys, send Latoya some love by subscribing to her, giving her some likes, commenting. All of these things are definitely appreciated for a YouTube channel. It is necessary, it is needed. Also, leave me a comment below if you are from Latoya's channel and if you do like this look. And if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! Also, guys, how cute are these nails? I definitely had to show them off because they're so pretty. It goes from like a gray to a white with some gold foils. I love it. If you want to see more of my nail creations, go check out my Instagram.